Let's say we have a number of strings, okay, and we want to join them on a certain delimiter, okay, using stream API, and that too using a terminal operation. Now, so joining strings, there are a lot of ways, okay. Now, using terminal operation, basically we will be using collectors joining method to join these string elements, okay. So let me create a class. Let me give a name stream joining example, and then let me create a main method in this. And now, so basically we have a string elements, number of strings. So let me use either we can create a list of strings, or we can straight away use this stream.off and pass all these elements. Stream.off and pass all these string. Let's say we have Java, and then is, and then we have, let's say, awesome. All right, so we have this. Now what's the error? It's not able to import. Okay, now let me introduce a local variable. This will be a stream of strings, and these are our words, right? These are our words. We want to join them. To join them, we already have words. All right, so now we already had this stream, right? So what we can do is straight away we can call those methods dot collect, and then inside that collectors dot joining, and in that we can pass the delimiter. Let's say the delimiter is comma. Put a semicolon, introduce a local variable. No, okay, let me remove this. This is not required. So introduce a local variable. Now this is going to be a result string, and then finally I can print the result. Now all these strings should be joined with comma. Java is awesome. So this is how we can do that. We can pass any delimiter over here, and all these strings will be joined with that. Now what if we have list of strings? They are integer list, right? So Java, let me copy from here and let me paste here. Introduce a local variable. We have words, let's say words list. All right, now what we can do is words list dot stream. Again, once we have stream, we can do anything, right? Dot collect, collectors dot joining, and again we can pass those delimiter, let's say comma, and put a semicolon, introduce a local variable result using list. And now if I s out result using list, we should be able to get the same result. Let me save, and okay, Java is awesome. So this is using. All right, same thing. Okay, the name I just renamed it. Fine. For renaming, we have another way. Just right click on that variable name, go to refactor, rename, so that all the occurrences will be modified. So if I have to modify this, what I can do is, let's say if I want to reduce this, remove this, so Java using list of strings. All right, so all the occurrences will be modified using this. Okay, save this, run this, it will be same. So this is how we can join number of strings using a delimiter, on a delimiter using this joining method, collectors dot joining. Okay.